Welcome to iPhone Insider. But today, we're shifting gears and talking about Samsung's next flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Set to launch in early 2025, this smartphone promises to be Samsung's most powerful and feature-packed device yet. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature a refined design with slimmer bezels and a more durable titanium frame, making it both stylish and strong. Its massive 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display will deliver stunning visuals with a 144Hz refresh rate, perfect for gaming and smooth scrolling. Under the hood, Samsung will likely power the S25 Ultra with the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip in most regions, built on advanced 3nm technology. This chip is designed for lightning-fast performance, enhanced AI processing, and improved power efficiency. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, multitasking will be smoother than ever. Now let's talk about the cameras, the highlight of every Ultra. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to sport a 200-megapixel main sensor, along with upgraded telephoto lenses offering up to 10x optical zoom. Improved night photography and AI-driven image processing will make it one of the best smartphone cameras in the world. Battery life is also expected to see a boost, with a massive 5,500 mAh cell and faster 65W charging, ensuring all-day use without worry. Of course, the S Pen remains an integral part of the Ultra, offering new features for creativity and productivity. Running on One UI 7 based on Android 15, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will deliver smarter customization, stronger security, and seamless integration with Samsung's ecosystem. In short, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be the ultimate Android flagship of 2025, blending power, design, and innovation. Sparkles, don't forget to subscribe for more updates on upcoming smartphones.